that she's to me. They're all coming up to me. No, don't manhandle me. Okay? Okay, I want a reason why I'm taken out. Okay? If someone wants to speak to me respectfully. Explain why you're dragging me out. Nobody's tag was scanned. They just took it out from me. They took it out from me. I'm a Ugandan. Okay? This is a democratic country. It's a democratic country. All the police on me, you manhandle me. This is not Uganda where you kill people, where you abduct people. It's not Uganda. Okay? No, don't talk about it. No, don't drag me. Don't drag me. You wanted that attention. You are getting it. You are getting it. I was sitting like any other guest, okay? They're all after me, okay? Why are they after me? Where do you stand that shit? It doesn't have a URL code. It doesn't have a URL code. She's lying.
Dictator, you Mr. Biden, from Uganda, a guy who tortures Ugandans, he kills Ugandans, and now these people are stopping us from attending the conference. Why would ask him questions? And you bring this police here to protect the dictator. We know he's sleeping up there. He's sleeping up there. Of course, we are moving outside. Yes, we are moving outside. But you and your boss, Mr. Biden, should wake up and tell him that we are not made for this as Ugandans. We are not meant to be killed. We are not meant to be killed by a Ugandan president who was never elected. He has been killed. I was shot on my head. I am a journalist. I was shot on my head by that guy. On my head, while covering the elections. On my head, while covering elections, 2021 elections. No, you're moving us out because you want a dictator to enjoy the fancy life of this country. USA claims to be a democratic. Biden is a Democrat. You understand? Biden is a Democrat. You keep on inviting Museveni here, a murderer. A murderer. It's your boss. It's not you, but your boss, Biden. You're protecting him. You don't want us to talk to him. However, we are going to expose him and by the hypocrisy.
His servants, and they're throwing us out.
Because she entered, she wanted to ask him questions. She was registered.
Right here. This one right here. 37 years in power. How is that?
Killing people, murdering people. Robert Kyagulanyi's supporters are being murdered every day, abducted by the state itself. You keep on taking us out. The guy is here on 46.
Nkumanyi mama ondabikiranga gwe manyi oba yegwe tego okubanga yegwe sanyusa okulabako nga wankubadde wangi ngamba oli madamu oli yalabika yati minisita waki zijukiza akayinza okubanga yegwe wangi w'abaana okole yegwa okolera Museveni naawe anti twagala nnyo okulaba abantu abakolera ba Museveni twagala nnyo balaba wangi kiririgo kiririgo neta tokwata ku simu yange badde njagala nnyo okulaba oba yegwe wuli okwa anyakula esimu yange aginyakula ati omulabye kale nno katunonye waliwo omukyalo omulala jja wuli tuli wano tuli mu kunoonya
bannammwe ffe abawakanya dictator tukikola tulivinga at risk security gyosobola okuwa mukyalawo okumanya nti mukyalawo mu byaddala olunaku lwaliro tuba balamu tuba ne bakyala baffe nga tuli balamu n'omukyala bambi abeera atya nnyo agamba oke mwami wange eka yamanyi naye famire emanyi mikwano gye gimanyi ensi emanyi so mukyalawo buli w'omutongoza kimuweza nnyo ekitiibwa so mukikole temuwuliriza abo abantu abatulimbalimba abagezaako okutujja ku mulamwa bamanyi nti bwe tutukuza obufumbo bwaffe tufuna ekitiibwa n'obwesige mu bantu so era baganda bagamba omweyogereze takusuuza kayanziko batwogera ne bagamba kati abali mu kuwasa mbaga ng'ate bali mu struggle twabasoma ebyafaayo tumanyi nti Museveni yatandika okulwana n'Amini mu 7 mu 1 ne mu 7 n'awasa mukazi we. Lwaki yawasanga ali mu struggle? Nono mutabani ono gwe mutera okulaba mu Twitter yamuzaala mu lutalo ng'alwana n'Amin. Lwakuba ye kye yakola obutafaanana naffe, ye Museveni sente Nyerere yamuweeza struggle yaziwasaamu mbaga. Kyova ekibonerezo eryava mu mbaga eyo mubiraba kati ku Twitter nga waliwo ensobi. Naye ng'eyo tuvuddeyo webale nnyo tuweesa kitiibwa muganda wange. Oyogera nnyo ku lw'abantu ba bulijjo. Bulijjo tubeera tugamba abantu tulina abakkakkamu nga Ssenyonyi, tulina n'abanyiivu nga Wayiswa. You represent the anger of the common people. Please don't stop. Don't stop. The common people need a spokesperson. Honorable Ssenyonyi bw'abyogera mu Luzungu byogere mu Lusoga byogere mu Luganda era tukuwuliriza.